When thinking about the strength and reliability of a diesel engine, most people picture the size of the block, the durability of the pistons, or the toughness of the transmission. But one part that often goes unnoticed is the fuel injection pump. It's not flashy, it's not something you see every time you open the hood, but without it, the engine simply doesn't work. Today, the focus is on the fuel injection pump 04705038-109-342-4050, created for the Navara 3.0 engine. The Nissan Navara 3.0 has been around long enough to earn a reputation for being rugged, capable, and versatile. From city streets to off-road trails, it's a machine built for both work and play. But at the center of all that reliability is the fuel system. Diesel engines, unlike gasoline engines, rely heavily on precision when it comes to fuel delivery. Every millisecond counts, every droplet of fuel has to be perfectly timed, and pressure has to be exact. That's why this injection pump is so important. This specific model, 0470504038, also referenced as 1,093,424,050, is engineered to provide high-pressure fuel flow with incredible accuracy. What makes this pump special is its ability to maintain precise delivery even under the most demanding conditions. Whether the vehicle is pulling heavy loads, driving through mountainous terrain, or running long-distance trips on highways, this pump ensures the Navara 3.0 gets the right amount of diesel exactly when it's needed. One of the key benefits of this pump is its durability. Diesel systems often face extreme levels of stress. Temperatures rise quickly, pressures climb into thousands of psi, and vibrations from constant use wear on every component. A weaker pump would give in over time, leading to issues like hard starts, weak acceleration, or excessive exhaust smoke. But this pump is built to withstand those challenges. It's designed to last, delivering consistent performance long after installation. Efficiency is another highlight. When a fuel injection pump functions properly, combustion becomes cleaner and more complete. That means more power is generated from the same amount of fuel, improving mileage and lowering emissions. For Navara owners, that translates to better fuel economy, stronger performance, and less money wasted at the pump. The pump's ability to atomize diesel into a fine mist ensures it mixes perfectly with air, which is exactly what's needed for efficient burning inside the combustion chamber. Responsiveness also plays a huge role. Drivers expect diesel engines to deliver torque instantly, whether for towing, overtaking on highways, or climbing steep inclines. This pump adapts instantly to those demands, regulating fuel delivery so the engine doesn't lag or feel underpowered. That responsiveness is part of what makes the Navara 3.0 a reliable workhorse. With this pump, the engine is always ready to provide the push needed in real time. Now, let's talk about reliability in the bigger picture. A fuel injection pump failure can cripple a diesel engine. The signs usually start small: harder starts in the morning, unusual engine noise, or slightly worse fuel economy. Left unchecked, it escalates to more smoke, stalling, and eventually a non-functional vehicle. That's why replacing a worn-out pump with one that meets original equipment standards is so critical. The 04705038-109-342-4050 pump is manufactured to those exact OEM specifications, which means it's built to fit perfectly and perform to the same standard as the original. For mechanics, this kind of precision makes the installation process easier. A pump that's built with correct tolerances reduces the chance of fitment issues, minimizing downtime and keeping costs lower for the owner. Once installed, the difference is noticeable almost immediately: faster startups, smoother idling, reduced smoke output, and more consistent power delivery across all RPMs. The Navara 3.0 is often used in demanding environments, construction sites, agricultural fields, or long-distance travel routes. These situations demand uptime. A weak or failing pump is not just inconvenient, it can cause work delays, cost money, and even damage other parts of the engine. That's why investing in a strong, reliable fuel injection pump like this one adds value beyond just performance. It also ensures peace of